Hello, MIS fourth grade. It's Mr. Shell, your favorite fourth grade math teacher, back for another quick lesson. We're going to talk about subtracting mixed numbers now. We did adding. If you haven't seen that, it's available in another video, but let's quickly talk about and review subtracting. Okay, subtracting, that means that if we have if we have 4 and 3/5 of any item, and we want to take away 2 and 2/5, we simply do this like most simple subtracting problems. We just subtract the numerators. Once again, that is the top number. Okay, 3 minus 2 in this case is 1. Okay, we leave our denominator, which is of course our bottom number, the same. So that gives us 1/5. 3/5 minus 2/5 leaves us with 1/5. Okay, then we move over to our whole numbers. Okay, 4 minus 2 equals 2. In this case, 4 and 3/5 minus 2 and 2/5 equals 2 and 1/5. Okay, let's look at a little bit tougher one where we do have to borrow. I'm sure everyone knew that was coming. So let's do the same problem, except let's change it briefly. Let's go to 4 and 1/5, and let's subtract 2 and 3/5. Okay, let's quickly review. Our numerators are how many pieces we have. Okay, our denominator is once again how many pieces it takes to build a whole. I like to talk about robots, so let's talk about our robots again. In this case, we have 4 completely built robots. There's 5 parts in each whole robot. Okay, we had 1 extra piece. Mr. Shell couldn't count. He ordered 1 extra. Okay, we are taking away 2 whole robots and 3/5 of another robot, meaning we had 3 out of the 5 parts we needed. We didn't quite have enough to build another yet. So let's take a quick look here. We know that we cannot subtract 3 from 1. So we, just like any time else we subtract, we borrow. So let's go ahead and make this a 3. Okay, so we are going to take one of our robots apart. We know there are 5 parts in each robot, so let's go ahead and add 5 to our numerator. So now we have 6 individual parts, and we're going to leave our denominator the same because, of course, it still only takes 5 parts to build a robot. Okay, I'm going to cross this off just so we don't get it mixed in with everything else. But now we are looking at 3 and 6/5 minus 2 and 3/5. Okay, in this case, I've got 6 parts. I need to get rid of 3, so obviously 6 minus 3 is 3. And that leaves us 5 for our denominator because we don't want to change it. It still takes the same amount to build a whole, or in this case, a whole robot. Okay, 6 minus 3 is 3. Denominator of 5 stays the same. Okay, that takes us back to our whole numbers. 3 minus 2 is obviously 1. So our answer here would be 1 and 3/5. I hope that helps. If not, please feel free to contact me or your own teacher. And stay safe, and we'll see you soon.